I'm Ankit Bansal, and welcome back to the channel. This is agent number 5, a dynamic pricing agent in Node.js. It reads your cost, competitor prices, and demand, then recommends the optimal price, running on a local model with no API keys. Here's how it works. The browser sends a product to an express agent. It pulls the cost, competitor prices, and demand, applies a margin floor, then one local LLM call recommends the optimal price with a rationale. The price is clamped to the floor, so it's never unprofitable. Here's the pricing agent. Pick a product. It reads the cost, competitor prices, and demand, then recommends the optimal price. Here demand is falling, so it prices down to stay competitive while protecting margin. Pick another product, and it weighs demand, stock, and the competitor average to land on the optimal price, always with the reasoning and the new margin shown. So that's a real dynamic pricing agent, competitor and demand aware, margin protected, with a clear rationale, fully local, no API keys. The code is in the description. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned, because in the next video we'll build the next agent on the list. See you there.